Roger.
Alright, November 577 Anscombe Tower, make right traffic, report midfield, runway 29er, clear for takeoff. There's a cell of heavy precipitation to the southwest of the field, about a mile southwest, 2 mile diameter. It's a small cell and appears to be moving eastbound.
Right traffic, clear for takeoff. 577.
Anscombe Tower, Cessna 6229er, Quebec, number 2 for 29.
November 6229 Quebec, Anscombe Tower, Zeta Extra flight.
Southbound, 29 Quebec.
November 29 Quebec, roger. The cell of heavy precipitation, it starts about a mile to the south of the field and extends to about 5 miles southwest of the field. It appears to be moving eastbound, and so it's about a 2 mile diameter, 2 to 3 mile diameter cell.
Roger, 29 Quebec.
November 29 Quebec, runway 29, clear for takeoff, traffic in the upwind, right close traffic, and if you need to extend that upwind to stay away from that weather, let me know.
Roger, 29 Quebec, cleared for takeoff.
Get about 5 miles visibility now. Visibility is decreasing because of the rain. November 29 Quebec.
29 Quebec, roger that.
Heavy precipitation extends to about 5 miles west. Moderate precipitation, light to moderate, goes almost to Stillman at Man Airport. So it looks like in about 3 miles, that's gonna lighten up a little bit.
Roger, we'll just we'll keep it going straight out here. See if we can avoid the worst of it.
After the 53577, pass the number, the business touch and go.
577, runway 29, clear touch and go, and it looks like the heavy precipitation is going to go right over the airport now.
I'm going to get a full stop reading, 577.
577, runway 29, clear to land.
577.
And tower 29 going 10 seconds out. Looks like it might be a little bit lighter off our left wing. We're gonna go ahead and turn south now.
With 29 Quebec affirmative, and right off your left wing, about a half mile off your left wing, it is heavy precipitation there. If you go on another couple miles and then turn left, it'll be looks like it'll be better for you.
Okay, we'll give that a try.
The center of that cell is at Sandy Pond, and it extends about 2 miles each way. 2 miles, Roger, thank you. 2 miles to the west of Sandy Pond, 2 miles to the east of Sandy Pond.
Yeah, roger that. Looks like it's, actually, present position, looks like it's starting to let up a little bit here.
Yeah, that's what you're going to see on November 29 Quebec. As soon as you go another mile out, it's moderate. Well, you're getting into the moderate right now, and then it's light another mile and a half from there.
Yeah, it's actually starting to lighten up pretty good right here. Tower Solutions 538, we're holding short at 29.
Solutions 538, hands to tower, roger. November 29 Quebec, looks like southbound heavy from there. Should be good for you.
Yeah, we're seeing that too. Its precip is light, almost non-existent.
November 577, turn left at Golf, contact ground point 7. It looks like this is going to pass, probably within 10 minutes it's going to pass through you.
I'm gonna wait on the ground for a while. I've got 10 minutes to go. Thanks.
577, November 577, turn left at Golf, contact ground point 7.
Go.